Hey everyone, ready to change your life? Today I'm going to show you a life-changing guide on how to safely remove jiggers from your foot. Stay tuned. Jiggers, also known as sand fleas or fleas, can burrow into your skin, causing pain, itching and possible infection. So let's get into it and make sure you're jigger-free. First up, gather your supplies. You'll need sterilized tweezers or a needle, antiseptic solution like hydrogen peroxide or iodine, gloves, a magnifying glass, clean bandages or gauze, and antibiotic ointment. Got everything? Great. Let's move on. Step 2. Prepare the area. Wash the affected foot with warm soapy water to reduce infection risk. Then sterilize your tools using alcohol or by boiling them for a few minutes. Finally, apply antiseptic to the area around the jigger to sanitize the skin. Now, let's remove that jigger. Locate the jigger, which looks like a small raised bump with a dark center. Use your sterilized needle or tweezers to gently pierce the skin and expose the jigger. Slowly and steadily remove it, making sure not to break it apart. Check for residue to ensure the entire jigger, including its egg sac, is out. On to step 4, clean the wound. Apply an antiseptic solution to disinfect the area, then cover it with a clean bandage or gauze to keep it protected. Step 5, monitor for infection. Apply antibiotic ointment daily and change the bandage as needed. Look out for redness, swelling, pus, or increased pain. If you notice any of these signs, seek medical attention immediately. Finally, prevent future infestations. Wear protective footwear, especially in areas where jiggers are common. Maintain good hygiene by regularly washing your feet and footwear. Use insect repellent in high-risk areas and keep your environment clean to reduce jigger breeding grounds. That's it. By following these steps, you can safely remove jiggers and improve your quality of life. If you're ever unsure about the removal process or experience severe symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching.